I've always believed in the power of names. If you look at the names of our projects, they tend to have some pretty powerful names, because I think a name evokes something. So the name Savo also is a compounding of very many different things and meanings and notions that we want to portray. But for this particular discussion, the name Savo City was not accidental. It was very, very deliberate, because from the very beginning, the plan was to build cities. The plan was not only to influence the cities in where we build, but to actually build complete cities. And we knew from the beginning that we will not get there day one. And we're actually still very far from there. We knew that we'd start with small apartments. If you look at Laser Place and 90 Degrees, and to some extent even Savo Studios, those are small apartments, 60 units, 100 units, 250 units. That's where we began. And then we had the boldness to move into bigger apartments, where now we're doing 400, 600, 900 in the case of Divine. So we have been playing in sort of that league. But we've always known that the way to build a city is to start with a small, then do a few large, and begin to put them together.